Okay, as you can see, it is colder than hell out here. I just got dumped on with snow. And that's why I have an indoor hydroponics. Okay, we're gonna look and see on our grow room the final product as of now. As you can see, this was a room in my basement that was an office, and I made it into a grow room for hydroponics. We'll start at the door here. Up on the shelves we got our extra supplies, our food and stuff, our rock wool, different supplies and things like that. On this wall we have "Don't Mess With Me" poster that was given to me by one of my employees years ago. Down here is what we're growing right now. It corresponds to our grow rails, I guess you would call them. These are 5x5 vinyl fence posts with caps and 3-inch net pots. And then over here we're going to have a flood and drain table. I've got it plumbed, but I don't have anything going in it as of yet. Under the table here I have 3 17-gallon reservoirs, and they're piped together, so when it pumps out, the pump's in the middle one, and when it pumps out, the other 2 will drain into there. Underneath I have the plumbing. Comes out of the pump in the middle there. I have a shut off for each individual rail, so this way if I need to do maintenance on one, or I'm just not using one, I can just shut it off and not have to worry about it. On the other side of the table, on this side of the table, I have my drains. I also have the air pump with the manifold, and here we have our gargoyle mascot, because we really don't like garden gnomes, so I had this old Halloween decoration laying around, and he's the mascot. For lighting, we're using 4-foot 2-bulb T8 bulbs. The bulbs are Philips Deluxe Daylight 32 watt. Yep. And they're 2600 lumens and 6500 K Kelvin bulbs. And I made these mounts to hang the lights off of, and they're adjustable with the chains, so as the plants grow I could lift them up. You can see how I mounted them. The lights are on a wall timer, and I've got them set at the moment at 18 hours because we just have the seedlings going, but I can adjust that however I want and it'll turn all the lights on and off. Over here is the nursery, where I'm growing all the seedlings. Some of them are taking off, other ones I still haven't figured out what the hell's going on with them. Okay, over here is what I have planted so far. And this is what I have right now. I have total dissolved solids of right at 300, pH at 6. I'm using Big Bloom and Grow Big. We have the fill times on the flood and drain, row 4 there, the flood table. And then those are the times that the pump will run, and it runs for 15 minutes. And there's the nutrients that I'm using. This is my completed ebb and flow or flood and drain rail system, and also flood table. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, and also subscribe or like it, so this way I know people are actually looking at this video. I'm kind of curious what people think.